Hello friends, Bill here from Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. Good to have you with us as today we light up your world with an up-close look at the Neewer LED video lights. This particular model has a range of 3200 to 5600K to set the perfect color and mood temperature for the shot you're trying to get. Now in this studio, I'm currently being lit by two of these lights, and in my other studio I have another one for a full complement of four, because I have fallen in love with the versatility, the reliability, and the durability of these lights. They're really, really good and a great deal. Let me walk you through some of the specs of what makes these so special. There are 240 white and 240 yellow LEDs, each 28 watts, and offering bright, continuous, and bicolor illuminations for portraits and product photos, videos like these, gaming, and whatever you need lighting for. There are control knobs on the back that allow you to set the brightness from 0 to 100%, and then you adjust that color temperature as you see fit. The U brackets that come as part of the kit let you tilt the light for optimal angles, because most often you'll be bouncing it off of a ceiling or another reflector as opposed to going directly onto the subject. And there's a slide-in diffuser that offers the soft and diffused output. And the kit comes with a telescopic light stand that provides 35 inches up to 75 inches of height range. It's really, really quite solid. And I have to tell you that the case in which these come protects the light really, really well. So as you're considering your next light kit for your video space, I strongly recommend the Neewer LED video lights. And I have found that with the range of 3200 to 5600, they really bring me everything I could possibly need. And if you have a battery that slides in the back, you don't even have to plug into the wall like I am here, because these can be powered either through an AC outlet or through a rechargeable battery pack. Think about that as you think about these. Thanks for joining us here on Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips.